Did you know that the Infinix GT20 Pro comes packed with features that rival flagship models, yet is priced under $300? Yeah, you heard that right. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the Infinix GT20 Pro, exploring why it may just be the best budget phone of 2024. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So let's be real for a second. Many consumers struggle to find a high-quality phone without breaking the bank. We all want that top-notch performance, killer camera, and long battery life. But when you look at the price tags on flagship devices, it feels like a dream too far out of reach, right? Well, that's where the Infinix GT20 Pro comes into play. This phone was designed with budget-conscious buyers in mind, and today, we're going to see just how it addresses this issue. Can it really deliver the goods without draining your wallet? Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the GT20 Pro. First up, we've got the camera quality. With a 108-megapixel main sensor, this phone captures stunning images even in low light. You can snap away at parties or on those beautiful sunset strolls without worrying about grainy pics ruining your memories. Speaking of memories, let's talk about storage. The GT20 Pro comes with up to 256 gigabytes, which is super generous for this price range. Now, let's switch gears to battery life. This beast packs a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go, you won't be scrambling for a charger halfway through. And how about performance? The GT20 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chip that offers smooth multitasking and gaming experience without any hiccups. Seriously, you can run multiple apps and games seamlessly. And let's not forget the design. It's sleek and modern with a vibrant display. You'll definitely feel good showing this off to your friends. Now, here comes the moment of truth. After all the hype, does the Infinix GT20 Pro truly deliver on its promises? In my hands-on experience, I can confidently say it does. The camera performance rivals some mid-range competitors, the battery life lasts longer than I expected, and the overall performance is snappy. It's hard to believe that you can get all of this for under $300. If you're someone who loves to take photos, play games, or just needs a reliable device for everyday tasks, this phone is definitely worth your investment. To wrap up, we've explored the key features and benefits that make the Infinix GT20 Pro a compelling choice for budget-conscious buyers. From its impressive camera quality and solid battery life to its sleek design and performance, it ticks all the boxes for what you'd want in a budget smartphone. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tech insights. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.